the workers come in and contract the virus and get sick, or some of them could even die, that's a big risk to take. It's a big risk to take morally and ethically. It's a big risk to put the company to, because if that happens, you can be sure the company will be sued. You can be pretty sure the company will lose. You know, I think Elon's fan club loves it. They cheer him on when he defies convention and fights authority. I'm not sure that the electric car buyers who are not Elon fanboys will like it quite so much.
Feel like he's in the same boat as me. We know that we can keep our place of business within the guidelines that are expected of us. And it'll never turn back to normal, not in any short period of time, but we have to come back to some normalcy, and we have to get ourselves, our economy back.